Hey guys, it's Claire. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today I'm filming from my iPhone because I wanted to get this video up. I was gonna write notes about this, but I just want to speak freely and talk about the direction of my career and where I'm at. Next year is gonna be 10 years for me on YouTube, which is crazy. May, I'll be 10 years on YouTube. I have been reflecting so much recently about the meaning of what I'm doing, what my purpose is in what I'm doing, and my messaging out into the world, because I put a lot out on the internet and on Instagram. Yes, I'm a makeup artist, and yes, I film beauty content. I think beauty is my medium of helping others. I feel the most fulfilled when I'm helping other people. That is my love language. Nothing makes me happier. And this isn't a video to be I'm a giver and I'm so great. Recently, I've been really evaluating my purpose and my messaging. I care about helping women so much. I reached out recently to an organization that I thought I would be the perfect fit for, and that was really close to my heart, and it's called the Look Good, Feel Better organization. This is probably the biggest organization that helps women undergoing cancer treatment and help them with a beauty routine to help them feel like themselves again. So we're talking with skincare, with makeup tips, hair. It just covers all the bases to having women feel like themselves again when they are undergoing treatment that is very abrasive. Cancer has directly affected my family. I lost my mom when I was 12 to breast cancer, and I don't talk about it a lot on YouTube. I mentioned it on Instagram recently, and you guys were so kind to reach out. And I have always just I actually got into makeup. I think I got my makeup skills from my mom. When I came across this organization, it was I got chills all over. I was this is what I want to do. This is what I want to represent and to have on my platform and to bring awareness about, because I care about this so much. I saw a couple of videos about what the Look Good, Feel Better program does online, and I was blown away, so I reached out. I could not believe it. The Look Good, Feel Better program is DC based, and that's where I am. And I was this is so meant to be. I was what can I do to help? I want to be a part of this. How do I help? This is amazing. And I saw the types of people who are volunteering and the amount of volunteers and the amount of brands who are involved. It's a free public service program that is offered all over in so many hospitals, cancer treatment centers. I got to attend a workshop recently and it changed my life. A volunteer walking through all the steps of the face and hair for women who had no hair, no eyelashes, felt like they were struggling with their skin. I'm just sitting there taking it all in, watching these women come in not feeling very confident initially. And then over the course of 2 hours, the most amazing volunteer leading them every step of the way, showing them how to apply the makeup to make them feel like themselves again. And then also to just have that confidence, ask any questions. And the coolest part about it was watching the women interact and feel not alone. There was a sense of community in the room, and I can't even explain the energy. It gives me chills to think about it. It was just so powerful and transcended more. It's more than makeup. I'm going to be an ambassador for the Look Good, Feel Better program, and I just feel that this is something that I have been missing for myself. Use my platform for something in beauty that is so good and so much more than makeup. And I want to bring awareness to you guys. If I had known about this with my mom, I would have loved to do this with her, or someone going through cancer treatment who doesn't know how to navigate to feel like themselves again with their beauty regimen or their hair loss. It's a lot. There's a lot of physical side effects that people aren't prepared for, and they don't feel good looking in the mirror. And that's what Look Good, Feel Better is about looking in the mirror and feeling like yourself again. And we're gonna be expanding in a lot of different ways so that's even more accessible to people at home through video and online workshops. There's just a lot of really exciting ideas being thrown around. I wanted to share it with you guys because that is something I'm involved in recently and that has been so close to my heart. And I wanted to link information for you guys down below if you are interested in getting involved, if you're looking to be volunteering. There's an amazing certification program for volunteers if you'd like to help with the program, or if you know someone who's going through cancer treatment who'd be interested in something like this. I will link everything in the description box below. I just wanted to bring awareness about this foundation and what it's meant to me. I'm so excited moving forward to be a part of this. This was definitely a little more of a different style video. I want to say thank you guys so much for being here and for your support. I look forward to sharing more with you, and I'll talk to you guys soon.